How's it going, folks? This is SPC Morton here with a pretty neat announcement here. Look at this. Well, rest in peace, Mac HP Pavilion DV 2000, 2007 to 2017. 10 years this guy. Motherboard just failed, and now I'm just removing everything for parts. And all of a sudden, I had to lightly press. It told me to lightly press on the keyboard thing. But all of a sudden, it was too loose and the thing just ripped right off. Now, look at that. Now, there's the DV2000 logo. At least I didn't break any of the parts. I should have turned on the thing to let you know until now. You know, I don't think that's too bad. Hold on. Where did I put the good old battery? Here we are. And now... Oh, I forgot. I removed the power button. We'll rip that. We'll see if I can do this to show y'all. I did not remove the motherboard yet, of course. Oh, dang it. I'm going to have to do it the hard way. Remove the battery. Here's the power ignition, or I don't know if I can focus. I believe this is it right here. You see the white thingy there? And then that's how you plug her in. So I'm going to remove the battery for that, for safety. Because that could be a very huge safety concern. There's a hard drive, CPU, and or the graphics card, whatever they are. I believe that's the graphics card. And it says product of China, as Trump always says. Now, the battery's removed, so now let's put this guy back on. Come on. I don't know if I can put it back on, can I? Stupid thing. Like it's already done. Huh. Oh, I'm having a hard time getting that in there. Well, I think you can see the motherboard from there. Let's see how this works. It's probably going to be done. I'm probably going to have to end up trashing this thing. There's the caps lock button. Where's the other screws? Told me to lightly press on it, but it wouldn't even remove. Seriously, this computer's in deep shit. Probably do that. I can't really get a good angle. Oh, this thing. I don't want to lose you, screw. Please. Oh, okay. I'm removing the display. Oh, finally, I'm removing the system tray. Which I need to get to the motherboard, please. This thing decided to stop working on me. Oh, where's the other freaking screw? Oh, there's another freaking one over here. I'm losing my damn grip. And now she lost. She's bye-bye. I could have ended up, I almost considered smashing this guy with a hammer. That's probably not the best thing to do, of course, because these parts could be valuable for the future, so, but I'm not going to hoard them. Is there like masking tape or shit here? Oh, the screen's coming off. Where's the other damn screw? You got part of it off. I'd probably end up selling the screen. Man, they make these things too hard to remove. I'd probably show you here. Here's the wires that go to the screen, which is already halfway off. Now, where's the other thing? There's supposed to be another screw. Huh. And now our screw's falling off in my bed. Yeah, seriously, this thing's... Okay. Looks like I'm probably not going to have to send... I'm probably just going to garbage the screen. See, there's no external screw for that. Well, there goes the screen. There she is. The old screen. Which had no problem, if I'm right. It worked pretty good. But who uses these kind of displays anymore? There's the old keyboard, which I somehow failed to get out. Ah, come on. Seriously, I don't have to make it too complicated to get this shit out. And now, the worst of them all, the motherboard. Why is it still on the floor? I'm missing a few of these screws.